This video will demonstrate the recommended process for setting up and installing your Dorner 7350 Series Modular Belt Curve conveyor. Please refer to the service manual for more information on these steps. Upon receiving your Dorner conveyor, unpack all items and make sure all required parts are included. You'll need the following tools: a level, a flat blade screwdriver, a 5/32 hex wrench, 13mm hex wrench, 14mm hex wrench, and a 15mm hex wrench. Here is our recommended installation sequence. Remove shipping brackets, assemble the conveyor if required, attach the stands, install the belt if required, and finally install the gear motor. The conveyor must be mounted straight, flat, and level. Use a level during setup. If needed, place temporary support stands at both ends of the conveyor. To protect the wear strips, place stands only at the shipping bracket locations. Next, remove all other shipping brackets from both sides of the conveyor by removing the hex head screws. Then replace the screws and tighten. At this point, assemble the conveyor sections if required. Locate and arrange the conveyor sections by section labels. Refer to the manual for additional instructions. Next, attach the stands to the frame. If hex head screws are installed at the stand locations, remove them now. Then put the stand in place, replace the hex bolt, and tighten. For some stand locations, stands will be installed with carriage bolts and hex nuts as shown. Tighten the carriage bolt nuts to 14 to 16 foot-pounds of torque. For the motor installation, we'll be using two different screw lengths. The shorter screws will be used in the top two holes, and the longer screw will be installed in the lower hole. Insert the spyder bushing into the jaw coupling. Attach the motor mount and gear reducer by aligning the couplings. The clearance hole will line up with the lower fastener on the frame. Install the bolts on the motor mount. Then tighten the bolts. To install our variable speed VFD controller with the mounting bar, first remove the stand screws from the desired mounting location. Install the mounting bar and spacers with M10 hex head screws. Align the bracket and tighten the screws. Attach the controller mounting bars to the conveyor mounting bar with M6 screws and tighten. Thanks for setting up your conveyor with us. For more information, please consult the manual.